comes into view. He sits on his pad, so round and so green, the happiest fellow that you've ever seen. But look over here and look over there, funnily enough there's a second pair, then 3, then 4, then even some more, popping up quickly from the pond floor. Hop, hop, little frogs, 1, 2, and 3, more little friends for the family, filling the pond with a ribbit and smile. Stay on your lily pad, stay for a while. A sea of green faces, a crowd of bright eyes, under the dome of the soft summer skies. One blinks a hello, one gives a small nod, the happiest crew on a leafy green squad. Count all the froggies, see how they grow, 5, 6, and 7, all in a row. The pond is now full of lily pad beds for all of these sleepy, soft froggy heads. Hop, hop, little frogs, count them again. Best little family, best little friends, filling the pond with a ribbit and smile. Stay on your lily pad, stay for a while. So many froggies, so little sound, peace on the water is all to be found. Good night, little frogs. Good night.